What's up guys, we're taking drives. I'm back here again with another product review, and this product is going to be Shine Armor. Shine Armor went ahead and sent me 2 of the Fortify Quick Coats bottles to see if I like them and give you my thoughts on them. So I think we're going to go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be working with my dad's Camaro SS Hot Wheels Edition. It's a 2018 model, and my 2017 black SS. And you can see the difference between how they look with the color and with the black. So let's get started. Here's the bottle in question. It is the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. It says ceramic waterless car wash, paint sealant, and detailer. It's quoted to clean, polish, and protect. And it seems to be a wipe on or spray on, wipe off type product, similar to some of the other spray on ceramic coatings. So this one says spray into a clean damp microfiber cloth on the surface in an area 3x3 area. Gently wipe the surface first with the cloth, then quickly switch to another clean folded cloth, buff off the haze before it dries. So pretty simple steps. That is my dad's Hot Wheels 2018 Hot Wheels Edition SS, and this is my 1SS 2017 6-speed. First you spin this little tab right here, and that unlocks it, ready to go. Taking our included fabric towels, microfiber towels, and let's begin spray. So I already worked on this half. I did not realize that my camera was not recording. 2 quick things. First of all, it smells really, really good. It smells like grape. I want to eat this. They should make this into a candy. The other thing, it's very, very smooth and really slick. I think applying it using a damp rag gets rid of a lot of the water spots if you do have water spots left over. We're going to start working our way back and see what happens. This stuff is awesome, actually.
Is it?
Yes. Feels super slick. Hey Dad, feel that.
Just like the baby's bottom.
Exactly like that. And it smells really good.
Yeah, that is good.
So you have to spray it, wipe it. I'm just going kind of in a back and forth in a square, 3x3 square like this. All the way down here. And then as soon as you get done, kind of don't let it dry. Take a dry microfiber towel and just start rubbing it in. I'm using circles, the circular method. It like makes your car look a little deeper.
Yeah, it does.
And look at your side skirts.
Shine those right up.
Yeah. What do you think so far, Dad?
I think it's a winner.
Yeah?
Yes. You can definitely tell the difference.
Yeah, I mean, every panel I'm doing, you can immediately see the shine difference. It looks a bit deeper. And it just feels super slick, but any of the little water spots that were left over from washing, they're kind of completely invisible now. I don't see them. So far, this has been a really, really good product. I'm gonna keep going. Well, that about does it, ladies and gentlemen. I am pretty impressed. It exceeded my expectations for sure.
And mine.
And my dad's. He was very impressed with it as well. It's hard to find a product that cleans this well so easily. I mean, no buffing or anything. Certainly you can do those things to get a better outcome, but I mean, I think the majority of the people looking for products to clean their car are going to be washing their car and wanting to apply something additional to it to give it that extra pop, and I think this far exceeds that expectation. Here's Dad's. His car doesn't see as much driving as mine does, but still Looks just like the day you bought it. So finally, I give 2 thumbs up for sure. Dad, what do you give? 1 thumb, and there's 2 right there. Yeah, guys, I would highly suggest this stuff. If anything, you just want your car to smell like probably one of the best smelling things I've smelled. Pick it up just for that reason alone. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time. Later.
Later.
Later.